Dan tidak boleh tidak membasuh wajah itu daripada
membasuh muka
beserta membasuh muka itu daripada membasuh juzu daripada kepala
dan leher
dan barang di bawahnya dagu
dan barang di bawah dagu
dan barang di bawah dagu.
Surah.
So now I want to explain to you about something. For Malays, the teacher Musannif has explained about something that is the first intern. About intern. That is the obligation of wudu. Obligation of wudu, that is the first intern. Intern, that is the first of obligation of wudu. That is the second obligation, that is wash of all flesh. Of all flesh, there is a teacher Musannif, there say bird of bear, there say bird of bear, that is a thing. You know thing that is a tebal. Bird of boy, that is a tebal thing. You can say that thing. So that when that is thing, you can no problem to wash. No problem to wash that or not. You can wash that like this and everything. Everything you can wash or not. No problem. That is a bird of boy. That is the second. Bird of boy. That is a thing. Tipis. That is the thing. Tipis. That is you got to wash in the birds. You got to wash in the bird. That is very important. Not sunnah. That is the first. That is a sunnah. Okay, right? And gur and kunsa. Gur and kunsa, that is no problem to wash in the birds. That is the birds and the wash, that is no problem to wash in the birds. If there's there birds, there are not birds and everything, right? Right. Dan bermula yang ketiga itu membasuh dua tangan kepada dua siku. Maka jika tiga adalah bagi seseorang itu dua siku. Niscaya diiktibarkan akan kadar keduanya dua siku. Dan wajiblah membasuh bagian yang atas dua tangan daripada bulu dan daging-dagingnya yang lebih, dan jari-jari yang lebih, dan kuku-kuku. Dan wajiblah menghubungkan
dan menghilangkan barang
yang di bawah kuku daripada kotoran yang menegah ia akan sampai air kepadanya bawah kuku. Number 3, the teacher Musannif have explained about and wash of all flesh. And number 3, the teacher Musannif he wanna explain about wash to hand. Wash second hand, we can say wash second hand or wash hand to hand. Wash hand or second hand, that is right. That is correct. Correct when you wash your hand. Number 3 of obligation of wudu. You can wash here every elbows. Every elbow you can wash. You can wash your hand from finger hand and until every elbow. You can wash like that. And teacher Musannif say you got to wash, that is finger to finger here. You got to wash your fingers and you got to wash your nail. Everything nail. There is feces kotoran. There is feces in the nail. Ada kotoran di tangan di kuku kamu. There is nail in the feces. There is feces in the nail. That is you got to wash that. You got to clean that. So that when you pray, that is right. Not wrong. Fear error. Right? That is the number 3 of obligation from obligation of wudu. That is number 3. What is the number 1? That is intern. Intern you heard. How about it, interns? What about your intern? When you say that, like this, saja aku sembahyang. That is the number one. But this is number two. That is you wash off all you fetch. That is like this. All of you fetch, you wash. What does meaning wash? Membasuh. Wash, that is membasuh. You got to wash you all of you fetch. That is the number one. Number two, that is obligation from obligation of wudu. But it's number three. That is wash of all hand. Wash to hand or wash second hand. Like this. Here, every elbow you wash, and you got to wash your finger. You got to wash your finger, everything finger and everything nail. If there is in your nails, you can wash that. That is so that you can pray just be fast. When you pray, that is when you pray, you know about you fell, you nail, and you know about obligation of wudu. So that you can take benefit from means, and you can take attention to me when you listen to me something. When you listen, I explain to you about this knowledge and everything when I explain to you. Begin now, I want to say, hopefully you attention to me, you listen to me when I explain to you, and you listen to me. I explain to you about three number I have explained to you. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.